Here I have iPhone 10 and let me show you how to reset home screen layout on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the iPhone 10. Let's find and select the settings icon. So this is the settings icon, of course. Let's find general, and this is the general icon. Let's choose it. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and here you can find reset option. Let's choose it. Then let's select reset home screen layout, and this will reset your home screen layout, returning it to the factory defaults. If you are aware of this information and you would like to continue, let's choose reset home screen, and that's it. You just reset your home screen layout. You can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.